Ever encountered a 404 error and didn't know what to do? A 404 error is an HTTP status code that means the page you were trying to reach on a website couldn't be found on their server. But don't panic. It's more common than you might think, and there are ways to fix it. Here are 10 solutions to help you navigate this digital dilemma. First up, check the URL. It's easy to overlook, but sometimes the problem lies in the web address itself. Make sure that the URL you're trying to reach is correct. It could be as simple as a misplaced dot or a missing letter. Next, try refreshing the page. It might sound too easy, but sometimes a simple refresh can do the trick. Your browser might have just failed to load the page correctly the first time around. If that doesn't work, consider clearing your browser cache. Cached versions of the page could be causing the error, so clear out those old files and try again. Still stuck? It's time to check for typos. Double-check the URL for any misspellings or incorrect characters. Even a single wrong character can lead to a 404 error. If you're still seeing that pesky 404, it might be time to switch things up. Try accessing the page using a different web browser. If the issue persists across browsers, the problem likely lies with the website itself. Another strategy is to search for the page. Use a search engine to look up the page you're trying to access. It's possible that the page has moved or been renamed. Remember, the website could be undergoing maintenance. If that's the case, there's not much you can do but wait. Try again in a little while to see if the error has been resolved. If you're the owner of the website, it's time to check your website configuration. Make sure that the page you're trying to access actually exists and is correctly linked in your website structure. Don't forget to also check your server configuration. Ensure that the server is set up to serve the page for the requested URL. Finally, if all else fails, it's time to contact the website owner or administrator. They may be able to provide further assistance or at least let you know what's going on. So, there you have it. 10 potential solutions to a 404 error, from checking the URL to contacting the website owner. Remember, it's a common issue, and there's always a way to navigate around it. Don't let a 404 error ruin your day.